report card,
Summary.
summary.
Okay. So we're going to go to his report card. And you're going to click on this Algebra 2.
Click on
The
the
class.
class.
Okay, scroll down a bit. All right. So keep scrolling down. So you see he got the F. If you hit that little down triangle, you can change that to a D.
It's marking period recovery, so it goes to a D.
Well, yes. It overrides. That's what you want to do. That's already checked.
Okay.
Then I go to the little bubble, and I usually type in completed marking period recovery through Edgenuity. And you can add, for an average of 60%, but you can't put in the 60%. Okay, so that's in there. Do you want me to bring up the thing that I'm not sure about?
Sure.
Okay, so in this other little box next to the bubble,
This one?
yes, click on that. There's all these different codes. I can't find a code that seems to go along with this. I think I may have used 2, but it's not really individual recovery to me. That's more from the teacher, but I don't know. That's a question I have. Would you use code 2 or would you not? I haven't been putting a code in the other ones because it doesn't.
Yep. So
It's
given the codes that I'm seeing here on the screen at the moment, I would say that number 2
would be
is the
only one that
best
makes
available
sense.
option.
Yeah. So put code 2. You can put code 2, but you always put a note in the bubble
Okay.
of what it was through.
Okay. And then we
save. And you are good to go.